To start your reconciliation, go to Transactions and then click Reconcile. Start by entering the statement ending balance. This will come from your actual bank or credit card statement. Then enter the statement ending date. Click Start Reconciling. Let's review this window to get started. The top of the window gives you a reconciliation dashboard. It tells you what your statement ending balance is and what the cleared balance is. The goal of the reconciliation is to select all the transactions that have cleared your bank account in this time period, and that will make up your cleared balance. And the goal is to make sure that that is matching your statement ending balance. As you go, QuickBooks will tell you the difference on the right-hand side. So as you begin to select off transactions that have cleared the bank, your difference should get closer to zero. And when you get to zero, you know you're ready to reconcile. Down here at the bottom, QuickBooks starts by filtering all the transactions that are in the statement period. You can click the filters options to add additional filters to make your reconciliation easier. You can click payments to just display the payments. These are payments going out of your bank account. You can select deposits to just show deposits coming into your bank account if it makes it easier to reconcile. And then you can click all to restore to the default view. You can also click any of these column headings here to resort the information based on that column of data. So with that information, you're ready to get started to reconcile. You'll start by looking at your statement and finding the first transaction and matching it up here in QuickBooks. So the first transaction I see on my statement is a $35,000 deposit. I'll select that here. You'll notice that we get closer to our difference of getting to zero. Then I'll select the next transaction, which is $365.27 for check 2002. I'll select that. I also see the check for $1412.50. I also see $117.34, $60.17. And you can see how I select each of the transactions that have cleared my bank, and that will come from your personal business bank statement. The goal here is to not check off all transactions, just the transactions to display on your bank statement that have cleared the bank in this time period. And the end goal is to make sure that this difference gets to zero. And you can see that as I select off transactions, I'm getting closer and closer to a difference of zero. Next, I'll see that I've got a check number 2006 for $56.50, so I'll select that. And then I see that I've got a check to Town Electric and Gas for $187.40. And now my final transaction that's cleared the bank this month is for $471.78, so I select that. And now you've got your difference to zero. So now you know that the cleared balance from your bank statement matches to the penny the statement ending balance that's in QuickBooks. Now we know that we've been successful reconciling. Once we click Finish Now, QuickBooks will mark all of those transactions as reconciled and will let you print off a reconciliation report that you can staple to your bank statement or save as a PDF for future reference. So I'll click Finish Now. And QuickBooks says you've reconciled this account, so I can view the reconciliation report here, or I can even attach a statement. If I have a PDF statement and I want to upload it to QuickBooks, I can do that here. So let's view the reconciliation report. And there we see details of all the transactions that have cleared the bank in this particular month. And it gives me all of the account summary information at the top of the report. And that completes our bank account reconciliation in QuickBooks.